Hello everyone, this is Lisa Roybal for MCC 540. Today we will be discussing some assessments, scores for our client assessment, Beck Depression Inventory, the Beck Hopelessness Scale, the Beck Anxiety Inventory, the Beck Scale for Suicidal Ideation. All these assessments were done on 3/1/05. For our client, we are going to discuss his results today. So, Mr. Sample, I just want to go over, make sure that this is accurate information that you filled out, and if you have any questions or any further concerns that you want to address, you can do so now. So, you are 30 years, male, you are currently married, and are a manager. Is all that correct still? So the first assessment that I had you do was the Beck Depression Inventory Scale. You scored a 32, and what this score means, it means that you have severe depression, and we can go over the scoring and all that if you would like further information at the end. The next scale or assessment that we did was the Beck Hopelessness Scale. You scored a 13, and this is moderate. The next assessment was the Beck Anxiety Inventory. You scored an 18, which is also moderate. And the Beck Scale for Suicide Ideation, you scored a 2. So I want to go over some questions I have, and then if you have any questions afterwards, you can address those. So the assessment, in particular the scale for suicidal ideation, was given to you because you previously said in the Beck Depression Inventory, I would kill myself if I had the chance, but however, in the Beck Scale for Suicide Ideation, you denied that, and you just denied any desire to kill yourself. And I just wanted to further have a conversation. Was there any confusion when taking this assessment? Because your scale for the suicide is nothing compared to the score that you got for your depression inventory. So I just want to make sure that if there was any confusion in either of these assessments, that way we can address them here. And with that, I think it'd be a good idea if you take the Beck Scale Suicide Ideation Assessment again, and I can be in the room with you. That way, in case there's any questions that come up during the assessment, you can address those. I know we did a lot of different assessments, so you may not remember that one in particular, but I think it would be a good idea to go back and do that assessment again, just to make sure the findings are accurate. And I would like in a couple months too for you to take the anxiety inventory again to see if there's any changes, if that score has gone up or down. But do you have any questions or concerns? No? Great. So, yeah, so we'll just take it from there. We'll take the suicide ideation assessment again, and I'll be in the room if you have any questions. And then hopefully we can figure out the confusion of why the scores are different.